Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning my house for the new year. I am so excited to start a new year, and there is no better way to start a new year than having a nice clean house. But it makes me so happy to get rid of things, clean things, and just have a nice organized home. And so I'm going to bring you guys along with me today while I do that. But before we get started, I am going to be hosting a giveaway with 5 other YouTubers, and you probably are already following all of them because they are all wonderful ladies. I am going to leave them all in the description box below, as well as their cleaning videos. But our giveaway is going to be hosted on Instagram. So all of the information will be in the description box below, but the giveaway is for $300 in Visa gift cards. So whoever wins will get a huge shopping spree on us. So definitely check out the description box below. I'm going to have all of the information on how to enter the giveaway. Make sure you head on over to Instagram because that's where it's going to be. But like I said, the directions will be below just in case you're kind of confused on how this is gonna work. And then go and watch all of the other ladies' videos and their cleaning and organizing for the new year. And let's go ahead and get started on my video because I have a lot to do. So I'm gonna start by packing away what is left of my Christmas decor, and the only thing left is my Christmas tree. And I'm not too particular on how I pack my decor away. Most of this is not breakable, and if it is, I will wrap it up before I store it, and then I use a very large Rubbermaid box in the garage to store my Christmas tree.
Expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just
So Jeff volunteered to help out and wash the dishes for me while I clean up the rest of the kitchen.
let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now.
So for Christmas, I had some garland sitting on this TV stand, and it was flocked garland, so it made quite a mess. So I'm just dusting underneath the TV stand. There's a lot of dust and flocked pieces from the garland, and then I'll go ahead and vacuum this space again once I'm done dusting.
Baby, we should start living now.
And now it's time to throw a load of laundry in, and I already have one load in the dryer, but there is never not a load of laundry that needs to be done.
I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
In the meantime, Jeff is still working super hard on cleaning the dishes. So my kids aren't home right now. Carter's with his dad and Sydney's with her mom, but look at their room. And I swear they clean it every day because they're required to, but they obviously didn't clean it before they left because it's a disaster. And plus, with all the Christmas toys, this over here is slime attached to the wall. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this up. and then Cooper's probably gonna destroy it behind me. So I was able to fold the laundry that was in the dryer, and now I'm just putting away some of Cooper's clothes, and I'm going through his drawer really quickly and just getting rid of some things that don't fit him anymore. I will either save them for cash or I will donate them. One of the best ways that you can get ready for the new year is to clean out your refrigerator and start with a nice clean fridge. I'm just taking everything out and then I'm going to wipe down the shelves. Going to go through the fridge and get rid of anything that is expired or old or just things that we don't use. And now it's time to clean my husband and I's bathroom. To clean off the counters, I'm going to be using the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cleanser. Bathrooms, I always use the Clorox urine remover. This stuff is the best, especially if you have a house full of boys or a husband. clean our tile floors, I'm using this Boren tile and wood spray. I love this stuff because you don't have to dilute it. You can just spray it directly on the floor, and Cooper loves to help me when it comes to cleaning the floors. And I'm just using a Target brand mop. However, I do not recommend it. It doesn't work very well, but it's what I have for now. And now it's time to vacuum the living room. Vacuuming is my most favorite household chore. Cash is kind of afraid of a vacuum still, so Jeff is holding him over there for me. But I love to vacuum, and I love it even more with this vacuum. I'm going to link it below, but this thing is amazing. The last thing that I'm going to do for the day is go through the kids' toy box in the living room and get rid of some toys that are old, broken, or things that they don't play with anymore. I like to do this often just because toys can kind of clutter up the space, and if they're not playing with it, they will never miss it once it's gone. So I will put it in a pile and donate it. So I hope you guys enjoyed cleaning with me and getting ready for a new year. It feels so good to have some areas in my house cleaner and starting a new year. Don't forget to check out the description box below on how to enter the $300 Visa gift card giveaway, and go watch the other ladies cleaning videos in the description box below. And I will see you guys next time.